पावसाक लागून पिड्ड्यार जाल्ल्या पणजेंतल्या अंतर्गत रस्त्यांचो विशय महानगरपालिकेच्या बसकेन तापलो. रस्त्यांचे हॉटमिक्सिंग डांबरीकरण केल्ल्या कंत्राटदाराक ब्लॅकलिस्टान घालपा बाबतींत PWDक पत्र धाडटा म्हूण महापौर रोहित मोन्सेराताचें विधान.
Three main agendas. One is we want to redevelop the fish market. Now, as everyone knows, fish market is in horrible condition. It's not been done for a long time. The drains are not proper. The ladies are sitting in like terrible conditions. So we want to redo that entire market. We want to have proper shopping areas, proper drainage systems, water tank, bathroom facilities, everything for them. That was one. Second one is we also want to get phase 3 of the market approved. So that is the second agenda. And pay parking. That one is the renewal of the pay parking, phase 2 and phase 3, and the introduction of phase 4 pay parking. Those are the main points.
So you want call marriage? I mean, in video service and CCP marriage issue है तेजल कौन से किधर 250 crore सांगा त्यांनी
Why did you pick up the smart city commission? That has been some 2000. The minutes have been finalized in 2016-17. They had done all of that. So that you speak to the commissioner, to the smart city commission. He'll give you all those.
So tell me the pathetic state of the roads in Buckland, which you mentioned, and the responsibility of the contractor. So who is paying for?
Even एक ambulance सुद्धा ते stop झाली आहे video viral.
Full रस्ता 2 महिन्यापूर्वी.
So that was now that we had written to PWD to get that road done also. Now as Uday had said correctly, that contractor didn't do a very good job. So we spoke to the engineer in the morning. He told us that temporarily they are putting that rubble and cutting and everything and they're covering it. So as and when the rain stops, then they will have to redo that entire thing. But Uday said is correct, but that contractor should be held accountable for what he has done.
Every time मांगणी जाते की blacklist
We will take a decision and send it to them. Whatever.
blacklist घालवायचं नाही सगळ्यात मागणी
That also we will do.
पण घालतील blacklist contractor.
No, that is up to PWD also now. We will write to them. And then, but contractors like this who don't do good work should be blacklisted also. The state of our city is horrible based on all the work that the contractors have done.